Sentence structure quiz. Choose the correct order. Choose the correct sentence order. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Is it A, always I drink coffee in the morning? B, I drink always coffee in the morning? C, I always drink coffee in the morning? Or D, I drink coffee always in the morning? The correct answer is C, I always drink coffee in the morning. Is it A, she only eats on weekdays salad? B, only she eats salad on weekdays? C, salad only she eats on weekdays? Or D, she only eats salad on weekdays? The correct answer is D, she only eats salad on weekdays. Is it A, quickly the dog the street ran down? B, the dog ran quickly down the street? C, down the street quickly ran dog thee? Or D, ran the dog down the street quickly? The correct answer is B, the dog ran quickly down the street. Is it A, he sent this afternoon the email at the office? B, he the email sent at the office this afternoon? C, this afternoon he at the office sent the email? Or D, he sent the email this afternoon at the office? The correct answer is D, he sent the email this afternoon at the office. Is it A, she cooked dinner in the kitchen yesterday evening? B, she cooked yesterday evening dinner in the kitchen? C, yesterday evening she in the kitchen cooked dinner? Or D, she yesterday cooked in the kitchen evening dinner? The correct answer is A, she cooked dinner in the kitchen yesterday evening. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.